What is a snake's favorite subject in school? History. Get it? Stick around to learn how to draw a snake. First, get your paper and a pencil. Let's start by drawing a long curvy line. Make it look like a very wide, flattened out letter C. Once you're done, we're going to close this up by forming an oval to create the bottom of the snake's body. Next, we're going to draw another line, similar and parallel to the first one. We're adding the snake's slithering body. Now, draw an upward curvy line. Stop once you reach the middle of the body. We're going to finish drawing the snake's neck by continuing the line upward. It's now time for the snake's head. Take your time finishing the snake's body. Once you're ready, add the snake's tail. Don't forget the eyes, nose, and mouth. Our final step, add the snake's slithering tongue. We're all done! For more directed drawings, subscribe to Twinkl Teaching Resources USA.